Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification so when I release videos, which I'm trying to be a little bit more consistent, it will alert you when you see it. And give me some comments. Anyways, today, as you can tell, I'm in the shop. So as I'm making some more parts for my staircase, this is going to be the little boxes going around my note house. I need to plane them. So the last time I milled, I found that I was getting marks and there was nicks in the blades and everything else. So today I'm going to show you how to change or rotate your blades, because the blades that come stock on this have two faces. So once one side's all nicked up, you just take it out, flip it over, and then they include some of these tools. So this is one of it. It's a Torx bit with magnets on the end, so you can actually pick up the blade without touching it. These blades have indexing dowel pins. These ones right here. These ones. So you can't screw them up. They go in alignment. You can move them a little bit side to side, and it's kind of cool. You don't really have to touch it. You just the blade. It's not a big deal as long as you're careful, or some people wear gloves, whichever you want. So it's actually pretty easy to do. So the first thing you want to do is take off your dust shroud. And all it is you got a screw on this side and you got a screw on the other side, and then you undo these two top clips. See these two top clips? They just kind of pull and you just kind of wiggle it out. So that's not a big deal. And then you come into this piece, and I'll show you how it goes in. Okay, so this piece sits in here like this, and all you have for this is a screw over here, and then you have a screw over here. Take those two screws out, which are these little guys. You can use your Torx bit for this. And then this piece just goes, whoop, comes right out. No big deal. Alright, so in here you have your blade. This is your blade. It's easy to put back in. Clean it up a little bit. Make sure you have the right side on the right end. Okay, it looks like I do. This is the blade. This is what holds the blade in. And all it is just put it on and put the screws in. Simple as that. Okay, you put your blade guard back on, and then you put your screws, start them. Start all of them. So that way there's no alignment issues. So a little trick to know, this little handle right here, that unlocks your head. So anytime you want to move your head, you just pull it, move your head, and then put it back down to lock it back in. And it doesn't move on you. Well, it moves a little bit. So let's take the rest of this off. Change the blade. Oh yeah, this blade's some 30 extra. Can we see on camera? Just bring it up. So, sit around, let's try it. Okay, another tip. When you go to put this back in, you got to make sure this cam block is down, because that's what unlocks the head, and it won't spin very well if that's locked. So that was nothing at all. Safety features, well, safety things is you gotta make sure that this sucker is unplugged. That's just, it's common sense. I don't really have to reiterate that, but you don't really have to even touch the blades because of the magnet on the tool, which I think is pretty handy. Just take it, flip it, put it back in, or replace it with new blades, whatever you feel like. Pretty easy process for my Dewalt 734 planer. There is an upgrade going to be coming, either another planer or I'm going to put a heel go ahead in it, one of the two. So that's it for here. Like I said, it was pretty standard on doing it. I hope you learned something or are confident in doing it, because it's no big deal. So remember to subscribe, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.